Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream with gelatin. Bloom 1 tablespoon gelatin in 2 tablespoons cold water, then dissolve gently over low heat. Chill 1 cup heavy cream and a metal bowl until very cold. Whip cream with 2 tablespoons sugar until soft peaks form, then drizzle in dissolved gelatin while whipping to stabilize the peaks and set the texture. Start by measuring 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 tablespoon gelatin with 2 tablespoons water to bloom. Bloom gelatin 5 minutes, then dissolve on low heat, stirring until clear. Chill everything thoroughly before whipping to soft peaks, then slowly pour in warm gelatin while whipping to firm peaks. Taste and adjust sweetness, then cool until set for a stable, fluffy whipped cream that holds shape on cakes. Flavor lightly with vanilla, citrus zest, or liqueur toward the end of whipping to keep structure intact. For piping or layered desserts, increase gelatin to 1.5 tablespoons for extra hold, but test small batches first. If you need a softer finish, reduce gelatin slightly. Always dissolve gelatin completely and cool the mixture slightly before adding to avoid deflating the cream or creating strands.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.